Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. Today we're going to cover redoing the interior of your Yankee. It could be any two-seater, and there's not really a whole lot wrong with this one, but let's go through the process and watch Tim as he redoes his. So here's the interior all out of the airplane. Now we're going to tear apart the seats and tear apart the side panels and redo it all for a new look. Now all this work is going to amount to about 56 hours of time because, as you can see, when we take the seats apart, there's not a whole lot we can reuse. The foam is coming apart in pieces. We're going to put new foam, new wrappers, and new covering on all the interior. Same thing is going to go for the side panels. But the process is going to be well worth it because now you're going to have a new custom leather interior that matches your airplane and is going to give you good service for another 20 years, and you're going to have nice, comfortable foam to sit on. So Tim did a really wonderful job with this. And while he took everything apart, he also took the time to repaint, like the wood on the bottom of the seats was repainted black. The frames were touched up. All the old glue was taken off. All the hardware was checked. And when he was all done, after putting them all back together, this is what it looked like. So here are the side panels and one seat. This is from the co-pilot side. But here's the entire interior all laid out, ready to go back in the airplane. And now let's start assembling the aircraft. And as I said, it's 56 hours worth of work. Most people will quote you 8 hours of work, but you never know what you're getting into. Take your time, do it right. And again, thank you, Tim, for sending me these pictures. You're doing a great job keeping Spanky beautiful and in the air. She's a lovely, lovely aircraft and got lots of life in her. And as a very nice touch, Tim even put his 1969 Yankees owner manual on the console between the front seats. Good job. We hope you found all this useful and informative. Don't be offended. It is something that you can do. Thanks for watching and have a good day flying your Grumman.